This farm is my farm where I do BT cotton, genetically modified cotton, for the purpose of uplifting my livelihood. We do it, me and my wife.
2012, I planted my first cotton crops. By then, the engineering Mwea was operating, where we sold it for about 12 shillings. I find the following year I cannot plant it because it did not produce well, because that was just to plant because others are planting.
Generally, cotton is grown in arid and semi-arid areas of this country, and these areas are marginal in terms of rainfall.
One day I went for a seminar. We were called by the government people and EcoSeed, and they enlightened us about cotton.
After exposure of farmers to a new variety of cotton called BT cotton, a new weed of hope started growing to cotton farmers and even to private gineries that had closed down.
When I was growing the ordinary cotton, the native cotton of this place, all the money I was to get from it, it was going back to it, since I had to carry my pump each and every after 2 weeks to go and spray the pest. But when I planted BT cotton, I was so much excited to see that it's the best thing to do. For a full season, I had to carry my pump for maybe 2 times or 1 time.
The BT cotton does not get affected with the bollworms. Something else, you can go to that farm like you are going for your own leisure. Because when you cultivate, you farm, you weed. There's no other work. You just wait for the harvesting.
BT cotton, it was introduced to us like 4 years ago. We used to plant the ordinary cotton, which was not good, which was infected so much by bollworms and other diseases. But when this one was introduced, we came to realize it's the best that can give us money, because we did not apply a lot of pesticide to it. We just apply foliar to make the flowers healthy and to make the plant green. When harvesting, that ball opens very well that you just go and pick.
Farmers are able to get 90% of grade 1 of cotton and very little of grade 2. And that means farmers are making a lot of money.
Last year, I had a bumper harvest. If I may grow more than 4 acres, I know I'll be rich.
I was staying in a Makut house, and now I'm in a stone house.
Cotton, when we harvest, when take to the ginnery, we go back to the ginnery to buy the seeds to make cotton cake, cotton seeds cake for the animals like chicken and our livestock. This place where we are in, I can count around 10 farmers who have really taken up this BT cotton. I would advise people to grow cotton, BT cotton, so as to employ many people in the farm, many people at the ginneries, and others at the industries.
If we don't embrace these modern scientific technologies, what is going to happen is that we are going to be beaten by climate change.
I would advise my countrymen and the world as a whole to try to do cotton where there is dry areas, so that they can be getting something from it. It can do in parts of Ukabani, it can do in part of Tharaka-Nithi where it's dry, it can do in Bere where it's very dry, and it's a well-paying plant.